Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Welcome to another haul, Zudio haul, as you have already read in the title below. So I'm very excited. Like, if you have been following me since a while, you guys know that I'm obsessed and in love with the collection of Zudio. I've done a couple of hauls. I'm gonna link it in the description box, so make sure that you go and check it out in case you haven't watched those videos, because it's definitely gonna be helpful in case you have Zudio store near your city or near your place. So I highly recommend. But before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Nidhi. I create videos on beauty, lifestyle, skincare, hair care, hairstyles, and a lot more. So please make sure that you subscribe, tune in, because I'm sure you're gonna love it here. And now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into today's video. Okay, so before we directly hop into the haul or the things that I've got from Zudio, I think I have few clips of that day. It's been a while since I went to Zudio. I've filmed it and I've kept, and I've not done this haul part. So it's this, I think I have visited this Zudio for the first time in Bangalore, and this is, I think, one of the biggest Zudio that I have seen here in Bangalore. So yes, if you're right here in Bangalore, I would highly recommend you to visit this particular Zudio, because they have amazing collection both for men as well as women. And of course, today I have got everything for women. I'm going to be sharing all that. But before we roll in those clips, let's just go back, see the collection. I have few clips, few pictures. I'm gonna merge it and show you so that you guys get an idea of exactly how the collection is currently there. Let's go to Zudio. So आज हम जा रहे हैं this Zudio, which is in Hudi, which is in ITPL main road in Bangalore, of course, like I said. So चलिए चलते हैं, and this is on the way, जहाँ पे मैंने थोड़े बहुत clips लिए थे. And this Zudio ना मैंने बहुत बार बाहर से देखा हुआ है, मुझे काफ़ी बड़ा लग रहा था, so that's why I really wanted to visit it once. So yes, now we are just about to reach, and yes, here we go. This is what it looks like बाहर से. देखिए काफ़ी बड़ा लग रहा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द Zudio स्टोर्स. अभी मैं आपको फटाफट से जो कलेक्शन उसको गो थ्रू करा देती हूँ. तो यहाँ पे थे उनके कुर्तीज़ के कलेक्शन, एंड ओ माय गॉड, आपको 199, 299, 399 इन सब के रेंज में मिलेंगे. देखिए 399 वाले ऑप्शंस थे. वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी कंफर्टेबल, आई मस्ट से. और ये उनका शू का सेक्शन है, मैं आपको क्लियरली दिखाती हूँ. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. मैं आपको ना अच्छे से दिखाती हूँ जो मुझे पर्सनली अच्छा लगा. ये उनका टॉप्स था जो कि बहुत अफोर्डेबल, आई थिंक 199 का था. ये 299 वाली कुर्तीज़ में दिखा रही हूँ. ये सारे ऑप्शंस थे जो समर में बहुत कंफर्टेबल एंड प्रिटी लगेंगे. बेसिक है काफ़ी. सो फटाफट से आप देख लीजिए जो भी मुझे पर्सनली यहाँ पे अच्छा लगा. ये उनका टॉप्स का सेक्शन था. ये था ड्रेसेस. दिस ड्रेस वॉज रियली वेरी प्रिटी. एंड ड्रेसेस में ना हर कलर में बहुत सारी वैरायटी, बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स थे. देखिए जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. देन ये कुछ बेसिक कॉट सेट्स, टॉप्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड उसके बाद जैसे मैंने बोला कि फुटवेयर का सेक्शन भी बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी थी. आप ये देखिए, मैं आपको अगेन दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने कुछ नहीं खरीदा फुटवेयर से, बट दीज वे फ्यूज़ विच आई पर्सनली लाइक्ड. एंड मेकअप, स्किन केयर एंड आपके परफ्यूम्स में भी बहुत सारे रेंज के ऑफर्स थे. सारे शेड्स मैंने चेकआउट कर लिया था. एंड नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द कंप्लीट हॉल. Okay, so now that you have seen the clippets from that day, now I'm going to quickly begin with the haul. The first thing I'm going to start is with the clothing. The first thing that I really want to share is this top. They have amazing cute tops, and I think everyone is going to get something there because they have a lot of size. So this is a very basic top that I got, which is for 399. I must say very affordable for the material. If you can see, it's very pretty. It's gonna look super cute. So this is the first top I got similarly one more top, which is for again 399. Look at the print. I am obsessed with this floral print. They have a lot of floral collection going on, so in case you like that kind of clothing, you can definitely check it out. The material is great, as I said. Then I got this particular jeans which fits in so perfectly. I'm gonna add an image of me wearing it. It looks really good. And yes, this was for rupees 799. So आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा that there are a lot of kurti options and so many rate, like बहुत सारे affordable में भी थे. तो I got a few. I got this first one, this one right here, which is for 299. look at the print and the material, so comfortable. Like this is perfect for summer, इसलिए मैंने, this is the first one that I got. And second one is this. Look at the print. Yes, ये सब थे 399 299 ऐसे रेंज में. Last thing that I got in the clothing section is this very pretty dress. This is like a ankle length dress, I would say, not full, half भी नहीं है. Again, the material is good, the print is so pretty, the color is so pretty, and this is for 799. This time honestly I didn't went crazy and like got everything just like last time. अगर आपने पहले का haul देखा होगा, I've got a lot of things. This time I have limited myself to just things that I genuinely need. Like if you have seen, they have a lot of footwear collection, but last time I got a shoe, I got sandal, I got 2 shoes and 1 sandal. So this time I was like, I do not need any kind of footwear right now. So कुछ और चीज़ें जो मैंने लिया है. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस ज़ूडियो का परफ्यूम. दिस स्मेल्स so good, and I think it is also a very perfect gift if you want to gift it to someone. They have for both men as well as women. I'm going to show you the packaging. It looks very sleek and very nice. Look at that. This is the woman one. It smells amazing. Then I got one more perfume जिसका image मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. It's not currently here. It's in the other room and I've not got it here. So yeah, मैं इसका image डाल दूँगी. Then they have a lot of options in makeup and skincare also. Something that I have not seen before Zudio mein. So this time I saw this Zudio Sparkle Body Lotion, this one, this huge tub for just ₹99. I was super impressed. I haven't used it yet. It's, look at that. Let's just apply it. Okay, smells so good. Like if you're gonna apply this, you're gonna smell good. I haven't used it, but yeah, it's a body lotion just for 99. So have body wash, you can check it out as well. Then I got this micellar water Zudio ka. This is also something new that I saw, again for just ₹99. I haven't tried it yet, I haven't opened it, but yeah. Then this is something new that I saw, which is Zudio ka sneaker wipes. I am extremely excited to try and see if it works or not. It's like a sneaker wipes. I'm sure you can use it on your white sneakers to kind of clean it. And अगर ये काम करता है, then I'm gonna go and get a lot more, because sneakers बहुत जल्दी गंदी हो जाती है. So I think it's really gonna be helpful. Then again, I got these two nail polish. These two color में, golden में, this one, and one more in this very pretty lavender shade. I haven't applied it, but I love this shade. Then I got 2 lipstick. One is in the shade Raisin Raisin. This one, I'm gonna apply it. It's like a red orange kind of shade. एंड वन मोर एस्प्रेसो वाला जो मैंने पहले भी खरीदा हुआ है, तो मैंने फिर से जाके खरीदा बिकॉज दैट शेड इज टू प्रिटी. आई डो नॉट हैव इट अगेन राइट हियर, बट दैट शेड इज रियली वेरी गुड. सो 2 लिपस्टिक एंड yes, I think that's pretty much it. I will personally suggest you to get these lipsticks from Zudio if you're thinking to get one. वहाँ पे और एक होते हैं जिसमें one side में gloss and one side में lipstick होती है. That is something that I got, I think last time, and honestly that's not at all worth it, because उसका जो glossy part है that's too sticky, and जो lipstick part है that is also too sticky. So personally I do not prefer that. I did not like it and I used it and I hated it so much कि उसके बाद I've never ever purchased anything from that range. But this one is very good. It's matte. If you want a little bit more moisturizing, maybe you can apply a layer of like a lip balm above it to give it that kind of effect and that kind of look. So yes, I think these were pretty much it जो भी मैंने खरीदा. I hope that I have not missed anything, because सब कुछ दूसरे रूम में था. I got everything here and I'm filming it. So I'm so sorry about the lighting in today's video, because बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा gloomy है. Because it is kind of raining here in Bangalore, so it's a bit gloomy, and then light bhi, I'm just using one source of light, so maybe the angle and the lighting is not so good, but I really wanted to film this video because बहुत दिन से मैंने सामान रखा हुआ है. I have to also use it, right? So I thought कि चलो आज film कर ही देते हैं no matter what, because it's better late than never. I really wanted to do this haul, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this very mini haul and you guys found it informative. And yes, please let me know in the comment section what more videos you guys would like to see. I would be more than happy to film videos that you guys like and want to see. And yes, if you like today's video, then you know the drill. So please make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with people who can get you all these Zudio stuffs if you do not have Zudio near your place. Or even if you are going, I would highly recommend you guys to, you know, purchase these things, because काफी affordable है honestly for the things that you are getting, and I personally like the quality as well. So yes, if you guys like this video, then please make sure that you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. सारे links नीचे description box में होंगे of the previous hauls as well, so that you guys can check it out. I will hopefully super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.